When it comes to big data, which reigns supreme, Apache Kafka or Apache Flume? That's the conundrum we are set to unravel today. Apache Kafka, a brainchild of the LinkedIn team, is a distributed streaming platform that allows you to publish and subscribe to streams of records. It is designed for high-volume, real-time data pipelines. It is like a highway that ensures data is moved swiftly and efficiently from point A to point B. On the other side of the ring, we have Apache Flume. Flume is a distributed and reliable service for efficiently collecting, aggregating and moving large amounts of log data from many different sources to a centralized data store. Picture a fleet of trucks, each responsible for picking up and delivering specific packages to the warehouse. Let's delve deeper into Kafka's strengths. Kafka's forte lies in its ability to handle real-time data feeds with low latency. It can process millions of messages per second, making it a heavyweight in real-time data processing. Moreover, Kafka provides fault tolerance and strong durability guarantees due to its distributed nature. However, Kafka isn't without its drawbacks. It requires a significant amount of configuration and tuning to get the most out of it. Also, its API can be complex and difficult to use for beginners. Now, let's shift our focus to Apache Flume. Flume's strengths lie in its simplicity and its ability to integrate with a wide variety of data sources and sinks. It also provides a robust and fault-tolerant architecture for data collection. However, Flume falls short when it comes to high-throughput, real-time data processing. It is not designed for low-latency, high-volume data pipelines and can struggle to keep up with Kafka in this regard. So, which is the better tool for big data, Apache Kafka or Apache Flume? Well, as with most things in life, the answer isn't cut and dried. The decision between Kafka and Flume largely depends on your specific use case. If you need a robust, high-throughput, real-time data pipeline, Apache Kafka is the way to go. But if your primary need is for a simple and reliable data collection system that integrates well with a variety of sources and sinks, Apache Flume may be your best bet. In summary, Apache Kafka shines in real-time, high-volume data processing, offering low latency and high throughput. It, however, requires a fair amount of tuning and has a complex API. On the other hand, Apache Flume excels in data collection and integration with various data sources and sinks. It is simple to use but may not be the best fit for high-volume, real-time data processing. Remember, the right tool is the one that best fits your needs. So, analyze your requirements, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. After all, in the world of big data, one size does not fit all.